We've kind of gotten used to these big liberal blowouts, we'd use the term, in these April elections. They have figured out how to win these races. It seems like Chris Taylor, though, took that to a new level with her race this time. Anya, what's, I guess, stuck out to you about this massive win by Chris Taylor?
So we kind of saw, some of the tea leaves leading into the race, less spending, sort of less excitement across the board. The stakes were different. But Zach and I were chatting on election night. We were waiting around at Chris Taylor's, what turned into her victory party. And we were saying, this will be an interesting experiment to see with the sort of pulled punches, the pulled financial punches, what kind of margin will we see? And then it turned out to be the largest margin I've ever seen, and from what I understand, in decades in Wisconsin races.
To add on to that, earlier that afternoon, I met up with Chris Taylor on the UW campus. And one of the questions I asked her was, are you worried because the lack of investment from the Democratic Party of Wisconsin, which in past elections has sent millions of dollars to their preferred candidate, or from outside interest groups who really spent nothing, that you're leaving possible voters at the door who may not be aware they need to get out and vote? And she said, no, I don't think so. And she was absolutely right.